All right, what's going on, everybody? Today is July 17th. It's Friday. So it is the end of the week. And holy shit, I just woke up to a massive sell off. We got our ice red eye ready. And hopefully we can take profit today because yesterday my mic died. I got to start charging my shit before I record because it should not be an excuse. It's a weak excuse for me to not post. So I apologize, but we did take a loss yesterday. Lost about $127, fading three A plus setups. I don't know what was wrong with me. For some reason, I did not trust myself at all. But yeah, I faded three A plus quality setups that I would take 10 out of 10 times. But marked out my session highs and lows. We have our high time frame fair value gaps. So coming into the daily time frame, we noticed that price obviously has a massive sell-off currently. We do have these lows very close to each other. But on ES, we kind of have a divergence going on where NASDAQ already sweeps this high, this low on ES, right? NASDAQ already sweeps it, but on ES, we're still very, very, very far behind. So there is a possible chance we could see a reversal off of this daily fair value gap here on ES. So if ES sweeps this low down here, we could possibly go back up. So I'm just going to mark this as daily fair value gap. And we're going to scale down to the 4-hour. And on the 4-hour, we just have this gap here and we have another gap here. So we have two gaps over here. If I go to daily, do we have any gaps? We might just form a daily bearish gap here. So once this candle closes. Yeah, so on the 4-hour, we just have these two fair value gaps. Just going to mark those out. So two 4-hour fair value gaps. And then we're going to go down to the 1-hour. So on the hourly here, nothing much. This candle still has 32 minutes to close. So I would not obviously count this as a fair value gap. So we're just going to go down to the 30. On the 30, we have this 30-minute bearish gap. We also have this bullish 30-minute gap. So I believe this is a BPR going on over here. So if we do something like this, we just tap, tap to this 30-minute gap, inversion, and then sell off to the London low or to these relative equal lows down here. So, whoa, that's pretty, okay. Was that that was a crazy candle. We might not even get that move. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We have Asia highs resting here. So if I take my ICT kill zones and pivots indicator, Asia high, London high gets swept here. That's why I'm not counting it. We sweep it by like a tick, a couple ticks here. So this tick sweeps the London high. Now we just have London low and this low down here that I marked in the pink line. So that is pretty much it. I'm just going to go to my 15-minute time frame because I like watching price from my higher time frame because obviously higher time frame holds more power, and also the lower time frames I don't really like this. So we have, you see all this like wick action here, don't really like that. So ideally, if price were to shoot up, we could possibly get continuation shorts back down to London low and even possibly down to this low. So that's my bias for today. It will be shorts. So market opens in about basically a minute. So we'll see what the market gives us. If we reverse and we just edge these lows down here, then okay, nothing I can do about that. So yeah. Yep. So, and like, there's no way, right? ES were to not take out these lows because we have triple equal lows, relative equal lows on ES. So, and it does look like we're probably just gonna edge this over here. Damn. Not gonna lie, this market's been pretty hard to trade lately. So we're gonna see. No fading today. If I see a setup, just fucking take it, bro. Like, stop being a bitch. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know what was going on with me yesterday. Pretty freaking crazy. Okay. Yeah, I kind of want this gap here. I want all of these highs to get ripped through. Okay, or not. Mark those out. We have this for a rally gap here, but I kind of want that 30-minute gap. Yeah, this 30-minute gap, I kind of want this. So ideally, like a little sweep of this high to go down. Almost there, almost there. Let's make these lines just a tad bit smaller. Holy shit. No way we just edge this shit. Oh, you're not dead ass, bro. Wow. All right, well, I'm not gonna FOMO that. Honestly, I don't trust this. We have equal highs, bro. Like, there's no way. If this inverts, I'm not taking this. Like, look at the 5. Oh, no way. Wow. Damn. All right, well, I think the only way now is to look for longs or some shit. Well, there goes our drawn liquidity. At least a 30-minute, bro. Like, come on. Bro. well. Do we have anything on the left side where we could possibly see where price wants to go? We have this 15-minute here. We have an order block here. Bro. Wow. Holy fucking sell-off. Bro, no way this 5 was the fucking gap. Still have a good amount of room. We'll just look for a 5-minute continuation. The only thing I'm a bit concerned is if we do get a continuation, I don't... Where the fuck do I put my stop though? Because it's such a tight area here. And we have... What is this, another BPR? A 1-minute BPR? Holy fucking sell-off, bro. Markets are fucking ass. Oh. Yep, no gaps opening. Just straight red. You got quite a big rejection wick up here. You know, I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. Pro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red candles in a row. Pro. Okay, now it's harder to see now. There we go. Hmm. Where are we at on the 4 hour? Yeah, although we have an SMT right now over here, I don't know if this is gonna hold. Ideally, if we want to get like a true reversal, I want to see these equal lows on ES get swept first. Yeah. Bro. Kind of got like this massive SMT here. At this point, it's like, do I just short and just, hopes and dreams this shit? It's like, we're not, there's like no type of like entry for me to take here. This is kind of just selling off without me. So I have this fair value gap here. Do we have any gaps? I mean, we do have this 1 hour gap here, but does that really mean anything? Fuck it, I'll draw it out. Nah, I would not trust that. It's taking too many candles to close. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. If we get a 5-minute shift in structure, we can possibly see a V-shaped recovery to this 30-minute gap here, or even to this 4-hour gap. But I need to see more confirmation. I'm not going to enter off of this first inversion here that we are getting. Just because ES still has these lows to go, right? Where this pink line is, I want to see at least ES touch this first. Okay, so what do we have here? We are respecting this 1-minute gap here. Mm-hmm. Damn, this market is like pretty hard to trade now. Fuck. So if Nasdaq can come back to this 5 here, we sweep some of these lows off, and then these highs, and then we'll just catch a continuation to the downside. Because I don't think this low is protected. I don't think so. Yes, we do invert this 1-minute gap here, but we do have a couple 5s at the top here. So, okay, let's see. We are getting that bullish momentum going on, but I'm still trying to get into shorts. We'll see how we react off of this 5. 15. Because like there's no way we edge these lows, right, on ES. See, the thing is, we're not in premium yet. Like, I don't like the idea of shorts down here because we're still at a discounted level. But if it goes, it fucking goes, right? What's ES at right now? ES is at a premium. Okay, nice. We're tapped back into a premium. Okay. Are we gonna just inverse these gaps here? Wow. Dude, there's no way we edge those lows. Dude, I don't understand this market, bro. All right, well, I guess we inversed these 5-minute gaps here, so guess we'll look for retraces. Do we just do this? Cause like, wait for this 5 here. Bro. We do have medium impact news at 10. Bro. What the actual fuck? What's up with this market? This market is so ass, bro. It's like it's just moving without you. It's like at this point, just long this bitch, right? How many points? Damn, we just recovered like fucking 200 points. Bro. Disgusting work. Oh my god, bro. Bro, I see like no fucking entry, bro. And we literally just took out all the fucking highs. Bro. Bro. Bro, at this point, bro, I might as well just long this bitch, right? I might as well. It's like, see, the thing is, I don't want to do that though. Because that's not. Yeah, we're inside of this 15, bro. Look at this hourly candle. Okay, we are also in this hourly gap that we've created. 1 hour. Holy fucking shit, bro. Bro, we're like sweeping out all draws and liquidity, bro. ES took all of them. Bro. Dude, we edge lows. Da, 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 da. Rally gap here. Bro. Bro. What the fuck? Bro. Can I not trade? What? Bro. Can I not trade? Bro. You not dead ass, bro. Oh my god, bro. Bro. The fuck you mean? Oh my god, bro. Bro. Bro, I would have passed. I would have passed, bro. Fuck. Well, there goes my trade for today. Yeah, just like a little 1-to-1. Bro, tradovate is down. Oh, the Discord saying that too. Oh my god, bro. Well, guys, yep, you guys know what's going on. I can't even freaking trade. Will this hit TP? Probably, or probably not. But yeah, just like a little 1-to-1. If it hits, it hits. I still think there's room for it to hit. Right. Well, we're gonna see if this shit just plays out. Um. Fuck. Well, that was pretty much it. Price comes down, 1 minute fair value gap, 30-second inverse. Yep. Kind of like a little change of state on the 1 minute. And I want to see a shoot up. Shoot to TP. Yeah. Little screenshot action there. Oh, crazy ass recovery. All right, well, the trade played out. Yeah. Are we gonna see another sell-off back down to take out these stacked lows on ES? But yeah, I'm kind of just done for today. I'll just wait till Monday, because honestly, with a big push like this, do I really see anything else in the market? And also, we did have a pretty crazy sell-off in the PM session. I mean, in the overnight session. So overnight session, we had a sell-off. So I don't know if there's any room for it to even go even lower. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. What, 30 minutes, 45-minute session? Nothing crazy. Oh, wait, hold on. We do get an inverse here. Now, see, now that would be crazy if you just play the inverse and it just goes all the way down here off of this 4 hour. Fuck it, right? Try this shit for the one time. Will this shit even work? Oh yeah, no, it's cooked. Yeah, so nope, no trades for me today. Yep, so that is pretty much it for today, for real. And not a crazy move, but hey, you can never go wrong with a 1-to-1, right? You know, no drawdown today. Pretty good setup, I would say. Nice little continuation. We inverse this 30-minute gap here. We respected this 1 hour that I marked out. We're fucking mooning. And all these fives got inversed. So I'm like, bet. I need a continuation. We still have room for price to go. Fuck. We still have room for price to move to these draws and liquidity. So I'm like, okay, if it comes back down off of a little retrace and we see a little bit of an inversion going on, so we get a 30-second inversion, a 15-second inversion, so that tells me that we might hit these draws and liquidity into the 4 hour gap, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, so that was pretty much it for today. Yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.